now, ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at the fanciest, most hip place in all of Lahore.
Well, Delhi in Lahore. The hippest Delhi in Lahore.
Yeah.
Because there are restaurants which are higher end and less casual and you've got to
This
dress
is
up
fine
for them.
dining, but this is hip.
This is here.
Hip.
This is like, you could say this is the Xanders of Karachi without the Xanders crowd.
Right.
Yeah.
Reena's Kitchenette is where we are, you guys. A fantastic menu. A very kind lady who owns and runs this place. मेरी उनसे काफ़ी दफ़ा मुलाकात भी हो चुकी हुई है. And she's an entrepreneur who works really hard and she's seen success.
This is the only restaurant in Lahore where you will get dishes like truffle mushroom pizza, which is made with a special dough which takes 72 hours to make.
Nice.
They have wonderful salads. Feta and tomato is what I'm going to add. Order. Then there's wild mushroom lasagna. Now, you won't get that at many places here.
I agree.
Beef lasagna, normally everything is chicken in Lahore, but this place does beef properly as well.
Yeah. Lots of vegetarian dishes. They have some vegan stuff as well.
Yeah.
So basically, हर किसी को cater किया हुआ है एक हद तक.
अगर आप vegan खाते हैं, अगर आप gluten free खाते हैं, तो they have you taken care of. Yeah, it's an exciting restaurant for me to come to because हर दफा मुझे menu पे कुछ चीजें नजर आती हैं which catch my eye and I'm like, I've never had that before.
Right.
What are you ordering?
Aglio olio.
Aglio e olio.
Aglio e olio.
That's a pasta, right?
Yes, it's a pasta with like some really nice oil and a little bit of chicken. But it's a very simple pasta.
And they also do burgers properly. Their pizza is really good. I'm definitely.
I've had their
gonna order
bao. The bao is quite nice as well.
one. East Asian.
Yeah, bao stations, and I generally like baos a lot. So all in all, it's one of those situations कि जब आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि आप क्या खाएं, you can trust कि Reena's Kitchenette will have good food, and it'll be like comfort food as well. It will never disappoint. And इसी वजह से उनकी success अब इतनी है कि माशाल्लाह this is the second branch that we're at. And
The original one was in Gulbarg.
बिल्कुल
now
और
in
ये
different-
बड़ा और बेहतर होते रह रहा है. And it's quite a star कलाकार of Lahore's food scene. It is.
Nice courteous staff also, I must say. Right from the gate you get this nice welcome. So yeah, it's a lot like Xander's in a way.
It's nice and bright. I like restaurants that are generally bright. Like हमें बहुत सारी fine dining restaurants वगैरह में बहुत मुझे लगता है हमेशा अंधेरा होता
घुटन
है.
होती है थोड़ी सी.
थोड़ी
But I
सी.
like the fact that sunlight is coming through
Yes.
and lighting up our faces.
It's a nice place for lunch, brunch, catching up with your friends, or just taking your parents out for a nice meal. It's got that fun feel.
और लोग किसी की भी मैं अगर घर जा रहा होता हूँ पहली बार या किसी के बच्चे से मिलने जा रहा होता हूँ तो मैं यहाँ से रीना से केक लेके जाता हूँ. बट नोट करो लाहौर की एक खास चीज़ है यहाँ की लाउडनेस. लोग जोर से बोलते हैं. तो that's something that's noticeable in a restaurant which feels like Xander's.
Yeah.
But when you hear the crowd speaking, it's a lot louder than we're used to.
जिंदा दिल.
Zinda.
जिंदा दिल, जिंदा मिजाज, खुश मिजाज, खुश बाश. मेरे सारी जितनी मुझे उर्दू आती थी वो मैंने निकाल दी उस सेंटेंस में.
आप अपनी उर्दू पे काम करें.
Thank you, sir. जी बहुत नहीं शुक्रिया sir. But I have to give it to Lahore. Over the last 7-8 years, I've generally seen a diverse sort of cuisine pop up. Chinese हो गया, Thai हो गया,
Lahore is always
Japanese.
changing. Lahore is changing.
तो एक
today.
ज़माने में the Cafe Zouk वाला ज़माना मुझे बहुत अच्छे से याद है. That was the place. Everything was similar in the sense that it was creamy.
Right.
It was, but it was yummy and
But
it
the
was
main
big
thing
helping.
about Zouk is large.
Large and heavy.
तो लाहौर में हम एक हमारा
अब वो
criticism
बदला
अक्सर ये
थोड़ा.
होता है कि quantity over quality अक्सर हो रहा होता है, which hasn't been the case so far in our program, I must say.
Yes.
It's been quality and quantity. But लाहौरी clientele के बारे में कहा जाता है कि इनको quantity ज़रूर चाहिए होती है. If a place gives you a little tiny steak and a small sandwich, they'll be like, यार ये क्या मज़ाक है, Quantity होनी चाहिए. Which is why they love buffets. Iftar
They love
buffets होते हैं
buffets.
लाहौर में, they're a big hit.
अच्छा.
कोई भी खोल दे, लोग भर जाते हैं उनमें,
Zabardast.
So yeah.
All you can eat
All you can.
and all you can dance right afterwards. All right, our first round is here.
Yep.
Round 1 का हम जो है अब start करने हम
Pizza. That's your hard to pronounce aglio.
No,
di
this is aglio di olio. This is lasagna. That's aglio.
That's my tomato salad.
tomato and feta cheese salad.
And this is my truffle mushroom, huh?
जी बिल्कुल.
Ah,
This is your mushroom lasagna.
see.
Yeah.
Let's dig in.
Achha, the alio is a little. I've generally seen it with zero cream, just a lot of oil and sauteed very lightly. So this is interesting. I'm gonna have a bite and see what this is all about. Let's have a bite.
Good presentation.
Yeah.
मैंने जितनी सलाद इस महीने खाई है ना उतनी कभी नहीं खाई होगी. I'm
अच्छा.
loving it. कभी-कभी मुझे रात को ख्याल आता है कि कुछ ऑर्डर कर लूँ, रोल ऑर्डर कर लूँ, पिज़्ज़ा ऑर्डर कर लूँ, फिर मैं कहता हूँ सैलड क्यों ना ऑर्डर करूँ.
हाँ.
पेट भर जाएगा, पूरी सैलड खाओ. मैं खाता हूँ, शेयर भी करता हूँ.
एंड अगेन जो रेस्टोरेंट्स हमने ट्राई की, एवरग्रीन हो गया, या यहाँ पे अगर आप ये सैलड देख रहे हैं, यू नो दे मेक सैलड इंटरेस्टिंग एंड यम.
Yeah.
एंड दैट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट बिकॉज वी नीडेड दैट इन पाकिस्तान. हमें जब सलाद कहते थे तो मुझे सिर्फ एक दो सब्जियां ऐसी पड़ी हुई हैं अजीब सी कि खा लो बेटा सलाद. अब जो है इन्होंने सलाद को इंटरेस्टिंग बनाया है, यमी बनाया है. और यू नो रीनाज भी इसको लाहौर लेकर आई हैं, यू नो जहाँ पे हम लोगों को गोश्त खाने का इतना शौक है, वहाँ पे देव ऑल इंट्रोड्यूस सम काइंड ऑफ सैलड एंड इट्स बिन अ बिट ऑफ अ गेम चेंजर इन द सेंस मीनिंग पीपल हैव नाउ स्टार्टेड ईटिंग सैलड्स.
Especially the fashionable crowd.
हाँ.
Fashionable crowd started eating all this fashionable food. Like alio li alio, right?
But my father is eating salads all the time, so there you go.
So,
There you go.
एक ज़माने में सैलड ऑर्डर करने का मतलब होता था खीरे, टमाटर
वही तो.
और थोड़ा सा सलाद पत्ता.
हाँ.
Tiki, you know?
क्योंकि
And a lot of places still don't do a good salad, I must say.
thank you.
I was wondering ये क्या चीज़ है?
Fresh apple lemonade.
Fresh?
Apple lemonade. Oh, how lovely. Thank you. Looks so
किसी और की
good.
टेबल पे पड़ा हुआ था, मैंने सोचा यार मैं ये चीज़ ऑर्डर करूँगा.
Oh,
Thank you very much.
thank you very much.
Looks proper and I love how they packaged it, you know? That's a very attractive way to serve this. I'll begin here.
I like this.
ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें होती हैं मुझे. This cap here, it's a good touch, you know? Makes me feel good. Presentation of this bottle, very
Nothing
nice.
complicated but design. You know, the design of everything is like nice and sleek. And
It's logical. Generally, the food is a bit filling and creamy.
yeah,
It's more American than French, if you know what I mean.
yeah, I know what you mean.
It's more American than Italian.
I agree. I agree. And it's again one of those things where you want a wholesome, heavy, like when you're hungry, you should feel like you need to eat. You shouldn't feel like, oh, let's just eat a little bit and move on and walk a little bit, you know?
I guess because we're doing a food program, we're not that hungry. You know?
Possibly.
You know, I love a restaurant that gives you chili oil. I just love that. It tells me that you care. You're proper, you know? And I like to add this to all sorts of things.
Did you add any?
Yeah, here.
No.
The one thing I've realized is, in a restaurant like this, you got to speak louder,
Yes, sir.
yeah, to be heard. Otherwise, the waiters won't hear you.
No. But we've had a good dessert and a nice meal. And I know that we need to explore some more. But I'm already like, ab kya ho sakta hai?
I think that brings us neatly to the end of our meal at Reena's Kitchenette.
Yes.
And as always, it's never disappointing. And it was a good meal. A bit on the greeny side, but I'll come again.
100%.